Today we're talking about how to take a 2D SVG file and convert it to a 3D file for 3D printing, engraving, or even CNC work. And the best part is we're not using any paid software or subscriptions. You just need your logo. So if you're wondering why an SVG image is a vector-based image that has scalable paths instead of pixels. This makes it perfect for 3D modeling because you could easily extrude those clean lines into depths and shapes, no fuzz, no cleanup. If you have a clean logo, you're halfway to having a printable model. So grab your SVG and let's turn it into something awesome. You can make your SVG in anything such as Canva. The thing is to make sure it has a transparent background. You could also ask Chat to design a logo for you, which we did here for Make or Build It. See, it asks a few questions about how we want our logo. Once we inputted the information, it designed a pretty cool logo for us. The thing is, for this SVG though, we're gonna need it in black and white. So what we did is we asked Chat to make it in black and white, and if it could create one that would be compatible with an SVG format. And if you don't have any tools to convert something to an SVG, you could go to the Adobe site and you could use Adobe Express, absolutely free, and drop your PNG or your JPEG there, and it will actually create an SVG file. Now, if you need it with a transparent background, it will also remove the background for you. The next thing to do is bring it into your slicer, and you just do that by hitting import, and you'll import your SVG. Once you have your SVG there, you'll see your raised logo. Now you just need to add a primitive. In the back, I'm just using a cube in order to print the pieces on for the logo itself, or you'd have a whole bunch of random pieces that you'd have to assemble. So we're just making a back plate for it to have the logo on. So what you can see here, we're just sizing it to the correct height and depth. And then once we do that, we're able to go in and paint our logo. And the same thing goes for the one we made in Canva. And you can paint it in as many colors as your printer could handle. And there you have it. You created a logo, you created an SVG file from it, and you created a 3D model, and you didn't have to spend a dime. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.